So how to test one little theory. So since this motorcycle is holding some little voltage, even when the battery is not there and the ignition is off, I want to see if it's actually DC voltage. So this is positive. Let's hook that up. And this is negative. So that's 13.3. So let's swap our cables. So I want to find out if this is actually DC voltage. So I'm putting the negative where the red wire is and positive here. Wow, this is literally DC voltage. So this motorcycle is holding literally 13 volts. 13 volts of power. 12 volts is dropping gradually. It's holding that. I don't know where this motorcycle is holding that power from. I don't know where. I don't know if someone can test this on their own motorcycle and find out for me how this is possible. This is literally holding DC voltage. Literally holding DC voltage. It's holding power right here in the motorcycle. It's literally holding power. How? The ignition is off. There is no battery. So how is this motorcycle holding on to 12 volts of power? How? So this is what I don't understand. I literally don't understand this. I don't understand this. How is it holding that power? It's dropping. It is dropping. I think this is going to actually go back up when I kick the ignition. When I try to start the motorcycle. I tried that before. So let's see. It's down to 11. Let's see what happens. It's up to 15. So is there a capacitor somewhere? I've put this motorcycle apart many times. I can't find the capacitor. So what is responsible for what is acting as a capacitor to stop currents? I know a capacitor does that. So what exactly is doing that job? There's a lot of things about motorcycles I don't know. I'm an electrical engineer, but this is a new stream of confusion for me. Ignition is literally off. So I still need the explanation on this. Those who are professionals and want to enlighten me, I'll be very happy. So 14 volts of power. This literally above holding voltage in the motorcycle for this long with the ignition off without battery. So comment if you know what is going on. Share to someone who can pass this information for us, and when I get the answer, I will surely let you know about it. Hooking out. Thank you very much. Back to the workshop.